Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Jaguar XKR cabin air filter. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, this is my 2011 Jaguar XKR and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. And this is one of the easiest DIY job that you can do it yourself. Before you can do this, let's open the hood. And this is the hood. Come here, Brandon. The hood latch opener. It's right here on the left side. And you just have to pull it up. There you go, and you hear that pop. And then we're gonna open the bonnet, the hood. And then the cabin air filter is located right here. And there are 3 tabs, but I dropped one in the engine bay, so it'll be showing up somewhere on the floor later. So you want to take this thing off, remove it to the side, and then take this tab off too. Yeah, this thing is really brittle. Maybe I need to change it soon. And you just have to, what happens is there, like a tab here, you just have to pull it this way, and then put this aside. And the cabin air filter is located right here. So there's cable right here. You just have, there's this rubber, you just want to move it to the side. There you go. And there's a tab here, you just have to open it. And the cabin air filter is right here, and you can see, look at that, that's the black. Then this thing has to be changed because it gets dirty. Woo, look at that, see that? Ooh, yep, needs to be changed. So this is the filter. It is the I use the man filter even for my PW and Porsche. So it is the model CUK 26011, CUK 26011. I'll put the link in the description. So and then just open this, and then voila. Oh, look at that. See, it's so much cleaner. Remember, this flap will be what, on the top. See that? They use a different filter right here. So, but it's the same. See that? This part, this flappy thing has to be on the top. So we just have to push it. This is super easy. There you go. Now we're talking about getting, and then just put the tab. See, it clicked. And then make sure this, don't forget this. Put this rubber. Oop, hold on. This thing is to hold this cable from going anywhere. And then move this aside. Okay, remember there are these 3 tabs here. The 3 tabs have to go into this hole, understand? So you do it like that. Like that. Slide it into place. Pop, 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 pop. Then just put this one back. There you go. This one is a bit tight, but anyway. So that's all there is to it, guys. Anyway, this is the easiest maintenance that you can do on your Jaguar XKR. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.